Ẹ̀dó lágbájá. Na so. Miracles in Nigerian churches. Nigerian churches miracles. Who are willing to lay your way? You don't do evil, go take your own. If you be kidnapper, go take your own. If you be armed robbers, you are your way. If you be rapist, go take your own. Ukpogema, you are your way. Miracles in Nigerian churches. They go say, the lady they walk. They go say the blind they see. They go say the childless are speaking. Everybody go take your miracle. Who are the master of your way? If you give Nigeria money, have your way. The young governors go take your own. President Tinubu go take your own. They go see the miracle. Other people they receive miracles. Evil people they receive miracles. Nigerian churches are business centers. Nigerian churches now who power they do miracles. Then they use power they do miracles. Then they use power they zero. Who are the master of your way? If you rape woman, go take your miracle. Go take a miracle. All the evil people they receive miracles. Nigerian pastors are an embarrassment. Nigerian pastors are one of the problems in Nigeria. President is a problem in Nigeria. That's all Nigerian pastors can't be so. They go sleep with your wife. They go disrespect your daughters. Innocent little daughters. All in the name of Jesus Christ. Money. Business center, business in churches. Nigerian pastors are disgraced. People that they pray direct to God. The original pastors don't get money. Original pastors here must say. They just pass it with Africa. Why I can't sing this my music? People that listen to me. Nigeria just is a miracle. Nigeria pastors, whatever. Nigeria pastors, what we say? You want your back by Mariso. Nigerian pastors are a major problem in Nigeria. They go sleep with your daughters. They go move Hawaii. Many lady daughters are pastors right now. Above me like I'm still back over. Above is a young man over. Many pastors are pastors. Money miracle. miracle. When you bring money, pastors go do miracle for you. If you don't get money, you go die in poverty. If you don't get money, sickness go kill the person. Oh, people they need a yare. Nigerian pastors, they are catastrophes. Nigerian pastors are disasters. They go home, but they go get shoot you. Nigerian pastors was past kidnappers. Oh, they was past armed robbers. They sit down for altar. They do all sorts of bad things. They sit down for altar. They perform fake miracles. This is very, very, very disgraceful. How can we improve the churches in Nigeria? Many churches for Nigeria. God showed me in Revelation. Say that demonic beast, demonic serpent, that be the powers when they use to do miracle. God showed me a beast with 7 hands in a particular major church in Nigeria and all over the world. A major church where you get level for government and politics. And nothing about God in the south. Now beast that they worship. The name of the beast is Angel Lucifer. The former angel in heaven when Baba God drive come up for heaven. That angel, where church are you? Now the power of angel, now all those power they use, they do cut and name miracle for churches. Because he promised God, as you kick him out of heaven, I will go and deceive your children in order for them to make heaven. Angel Lucifer, your time has come to an end. Depart from all the churches that you exist in. They exist from using all these evil pastors. Oh, to be by miracle. I said to be by miracle. It is by salvation and clean heart. Even if you don't go churches now by clean heart, oh. If you don't go churches now, let's go back. Make you do your prayers inside your house. Nigerian churches, la business centers. Who are the masters